Imagine standing at the edge of a quiet stream, the world slowing down around you. The only sound, water, whispering over smooth stones. The morning mist curls like a secret being told. You cast your line and wait. This isn't just fishing. This is something deeper. I have fished this river since I was a boy. The same bent in the stream, the same hush of the trees, leaning in to listen. They say patience is a virtue, but I learned that here, with a fly rod in my hand, long before I ever understood what it meant. At first, I chased the fish, desperate for a catch. Every cast was a mission, every moment without a bite a failure. But the river does not answer to impatience. It does not care how many hours you've stood in the waters. It only rewards those who learn its rhythm. And so, I did